Ever wonder what captivating stories are about to land on your streaming screen? Uh, this week, Hulu is rolling out a diverse collection of shows from chilling true crime investigations to heart-stopping survival challenges. Let's dive into what's new and what you won't want to miss. First up on Wednesday, January 21st, The Beauty arrives. This series, based on a popular comic, explores a world where physical perfection comes at a terrifying cost. It's a thought-provoking look at vanity and obsession done right doing. And then on Thursday, January 22nd, prepare for the 6,000-pound Diaries with Dr. Now. This series follows Dr. Nazaruddin and his patients on their incredible journees to lose weight and reclaim their health. It's a powerful and moving look at determination being as also debuting on Thursday. I Killed My BFF delves into the dark side of friendship, exploring cases where bonds turned deadly. It's a chilling look at betrayal and the hidden triggers of violence. For those who enjoy a bit of neighborhood drama, Neighborhood Wars premieres on Thursday, and this reality series showcases the bizarre and escalating conflicts between neighbors across the country. On Saturday, January 24th, join Josh Gates on Expedition Unknown as he searches for lost cities and historical treasures around the globe. It's a thrilling adventure for history buffs. Evil Lives Here also arrives on Saturday, offering a unique perspective on true crime by featuring the stories of those who lived with killers. It's a haunting and personal exploration of evil, Heminist. If you're craving extreme survival, Make It an Afraid Apocalypse lands on Saturday. And they closely more or less contestants that they would have covered Art Stripped of Everything and Must Survive in Harsh Post-Apocalyptic Environments. And because it's a true test of resilience, and rounding out the Saturday lineup is See No Evil, which examines how surveillance footage plays a crucial role in solving criminal cases. It's a reminder that we're always being watched. So which of these shows are you adding to your watch list? Let us know in the comments. And remember, Hulu is also a great place to catch up on older favorites. It's like having a never-ending supply of binge-worthy entertainment. And speaking of endless, what do you call a dinosaur with an extensive vocabulary? A thesaurus. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.